In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block sites from asking to use information that they have saved about you on Google Chrome browser. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on these three dots here and then go to settings. And from here, go to the search bar and type in site settings. And here we have site settings option. Then scroll down until you get to permissions and then look for the option called embedded content. So if you tap on it, you can see default behavior. I have allowed sites to ask to use information they have saved about me. If I want to block this, go ahead and choose the second option, which says sites are blocked from asking you to use information they have saved about you. So that's how you do it with ease in Google Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.